Hello to all my friends out there. So here is my bread. I have some, I just got this out of the oven. Some apricots and some walnuts in my wheat bread. Ooh, yummy. You guys got to try this. And recently I switched to real butter. So, you know, just a little of this might be pretty tasty too. And it's very easy to make. Just scroll down if you, and you know, I'm going to continue on putting all kinds of higher protein items like the nuts in my bread. I'm going to continue baking bread for a while. It's way cheaper. The thing about making your own bread is, if you check your flour, you can be sure you're getting wheat, not soy. You know, they're starting to put a lot of soy in our food, our meats, our flour, all kinds of things. Let me give you these good recipes for, these are two really good recipes right here. That is probably one of the best lima bean recipes you're ever gonna find. This is, one time I went to a restaurant, it was split pea soup, $9. I go, oh, I bet that's gonna be good. No, this is better. And then I'll probably make this kind of wheat bread next time. Okay, put it in the back of your mind. At least jot down the bread recipe. I use half white, half wheat flour. This time I used honey, but you can use raw brown sugar. You can use white sugar. And this would be good with some peanut butter or some jam with some scrambled eggs. Okay, you guys, God bless you.